Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Explorer's thermostat housing. This repair is crucial for maintaining proper engine temperature and preventing overheating. Before you begin, gather all necessary tools, including an 8mm socket, a 19mm wrench, and a torque wrench. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant. Having your new parts and fresh coolant on hand will streamline the process. First, position a large drain pan beneath your radiator's drain valve. Open the valve, typically a 19mm hex, and allow the engine's coolant to drain completely. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes, and you can expect around 3 gallons to be collected. Next, you'll need to remove the air intake tube and any other components that block access to the thermostat housing, such as electrical connectors or hoses. With access clear, disconnect the upper radiator hose and any other small hoses or electrical connectors from the housing. Use an 8mm socket to remove the 3 mounting bolts. Gently pry off the old thermostat housing, then meticulously scrape and clean the engine's mating surface to ensure a perfect seal. Install your new thermostat and housing, then tighten the bolts to 97 inch-pounds using a torque wrench. Once the new housing is secured, reconnect all hoses and electrical connectors. Close the radiator drain valve. Now, slowly refill your cooling system with approximately 3 gallons of a 50/50 coolant and distilled water mixture. Start the engine with the heater on high to help bleed any trapped air. Monitor the temperature gauge and check thoroughly for any leaks around the new housing. Ensure the system is full and operating correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.